Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in my video I'm gonna show you how to make simple chicken biryani recipe. For that I've been taking half kg of washed chicken. Later I'm adding 1.5 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Then I'm gonna add nearly 1 spoon of chili powder. And 1.5 spoon of salt, and you can add how much you really require for your recipe and according to your taste. Once it is done, I am adding 1.5 spoon of garam masala powder. Then nearly half cup of curd. Later I'm gonna mix the content and I leave the content for marination for nearly 10 to 15 minutes. Consequently guys, I'm taking a cooker and I'm adding nearly half cup of oil, and you can add how much you want. Later 2 spoons of ghee. These are the items which is required, that is coriander plus mint leaves, onions, tomatoes, red chilies and some bay leaves and some clove and cinnamon, cumin, cardamom. Once it is boiled, I'm adding nearly 2 to 3 bay leaves, and you can add whichever spices you want. Next some star flower. Next bit cardamom and bit cinnamon. And some clove and some cumin. Now I am adding nearly 5 to 6 red chilies and 1 big onion. And fry the content well guys. Once it is all fried, I am adding nearly 1 tomato. And fry the content. Now I am adding nearly 5 to 6 cashew and bit turmeric powder. Now I am adding the marinated chicken. Now add mint and coriander leaves. I'm adding nearly 1 cup of mint and coriander leaves and mix the content well. Consequently close the lid and boil for 5 minutes. Consequently, in another vessel, I have soaked 2 glasses of washed rice. Now I am adding nearly 4 glasses of water for 2 glasses of rice. And mix the content well. Once it is done, add required amount of salt. I am adding nearly 1.5 spoon of salt. You can add how much you really require according to taste. Once it starts boiling, add the rice. I have taken nearly 2 glasses of rice. And mix the content well. Now once it starts boiling, add nearly half lemon juice and close the lid of cooker and make 2 whistles. Once 2 whistles is done, you can see how it really looks. Now the biryani is ready. I'm gonna mix from upward and downward direction. And yeah, now the biryani is ready for your taste. I think it's very simple and easy. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like and subscribe. Thank you.